Hello guys, this is HAZEL FLENQUE MAHISAY, and this is a series of short videos on getting started with PowerPoint. It is important to understand as you start watching this tutorial that I'll go over individual aspects of PowerPoint, by creating a PowerPoint to enhancing it, and finally developing it further for presenting it. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and locate PowerPoint. So the first time that you open PowerPoint, you'll be presented with something very similar to this one. On the very left hand side, here you have the file menu. You have these different options within, and under save, here the save, you can change default location where your presentations are gonna be saved. And next to the file menu, you have all of these different items or different tabs over here. And these are basically the same in all aspect of Office, whether it is Microsoft Word, Excel, and so on. But they just differ depending on the application. And then typically what you have is that the Home tab that contains the most commonly used functions in PowerPoint, and then the Insert to insert different components of PowerPoint, the designer of PowerPoint, the animation, slideshow, review, and view. So now, on the very left side, here you have the quick access toolbar. This is a set of tools that you can easily add and remove by simply clicking to this item over here, right click it and click add to quick access toolbar. And if you want to remove this one, just right click again and remove from access toolbar. And this area here, the center area, here we have the actual slide that you'll be using in this case. And then in the bottom, you also have different views from your slides, and you can change it into a slide sorter. Here the slide sorter, or you can preview different slides. You can also zoom in and out your slides, just like this. So, before I end this first session in PowerPoint, let's go ahead and design a couple slides here just so we can get started and make these sessions work. So to click on a title, all you have to do is to click the word says title. And a couple of ways to enter this information, just type here. You can also add a subtitle. It's just an example. So, at this point, we are ready to insert new slide. Now, to insert the next slide, there are a couple of ways of doing it. One of the ways by clicking here on the left side and right click and choose new slide. Or you can even press the Control M. So in this case, we will click here the new slide. Then you can type here the items. Just like this. It's just an example. Now, if I want to test this first slide into his couple slide, all I have to do is I can either go here at the slideshow, and click this from beginning, or I can even go here at the bottom and click this slideshow here. Getting started with PowerPoint. So, if I want a specific design, I can just choose any of this design here, the designer of PowerPoint. So here, there. So let's say I want this one. So here. At this point, if you are ready to go with this and present it one more time, we'll just go to slideshow here. And then to move slide to slide, we can just either press and space on the keyboard, or click with the mouse, or use the right case on the keyboard. Any of those will work, just like this here. And so far, it is not that fancy, but at least we have something to present, and this is just for me to demonstrate that we can create something within a few minutes. So stay tuned and wait for the other session, and we'll learn how to get step by step in enhancing the presentation and doing all kinds of other fancy stuff with their presentation. So that's all, and thank you.